On this project, I'm responsible for everything that happens on this site, and I'm also responsible for all of the marine operations that happen across the joint venture. This particular site is situated on the north bank of the Thames, very close to Tower Bridge and very close to Canary Wharf, between the two. Prior to our work starting on site, the project installed a sheet pile cofferdam which reclaimed an area of the land and allowed us to install a working platform for our plant and equipment. We're really fortunate to be located on the river. It's allowed us to use the Thames to transport a lot of our materials and equipment to site. The river has really dramatically reduced the amount of vehicular traffic we're putting on the roads in terms of steel deliveries and barge deliveries for the muckaway. So that's reduced the amount of potential accidents and also the emissions that might be caused by that traffic. Excavation arises coming out of the de-walling works are being transported away from site by hopper barge to the landfill site at Pitsea. That's being used for beneficial reuse as a capping layer for that landfill site. And also from Chatham we're delivering steel reinforcement cages that are coming to site, and we can use those barge deliveries to increase the element size of each one of those cages where we wouldn't be able to normally transport those by road. Due to the fact that the site is a very congested area and there's very little storage capacity on site, we're having to deliver all of these cages in a just-in-time manner. There's therefore a really detailed logistics process that we're working with here to manage the tidal constraints at site, the loading of the barges in Chatham, and also the weather conditions on the transit from Chatham to site. Collaboration with our supply chain is really important to make sure that that can be done safely and successfully, and to make sure there's no impact on our operational output. The Tideway project is all about reconnecting people with the Thames. We're really proud on this site to be able to use this waterway as a major part of our transportation activities.